Webare, 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 webare mnonga. Watani chibaho mugisha gwatani. Webare mnonga abanyarwanda twagira. Kokana ngenda kubahamize kintu kimwe. Mweno bwo mushisha tumuhingira ahandi hona. Akasigaranya kahita. Naho twaza kuza tumuheyo.
Manyango mwino busasi bwinshi kubagambira ngo ebikango do yakozere oburamuzi obumwine oburamuzi obuhanga n'abantu nimo mubwire. I want to array fears from the people of Rushenyi that they are the ones who voted, they are still living, and they still have a chance in the general elections. I am therefore informing them today that I have decided to come as their request has been, and they cast their votes, because I know that in the general elections it will be very difficult for someone to cheat, and we shall win as we have been winners.
Now,